Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit chips. First, choose ripe, firm fruits like apples, bananas, or strawberries. Wash them well and dry completely. Next, slice your fruit very thinly, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch for consistent drying. This uniform thickness is crucial for achieving that perfect crispness. Remember to remove any seeds or cores as you go. Now, let's talk about drying methods. A food dehydrator is ideal. Set it to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your fruit slices in a single layer on the trays, ensuring no overlap. If you're using an oven, preheat it to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Prop the oven door open slightly with a wooden spoon to allow moisture to escape, which is key for crisp chips. Drying times vary significantly by fruit and method. In a dehydrator, expect 6 to 12 hours for most fruits, while oven drying usually takes 3 to 6 hours. It's important to flip the slices every 2 to 3 hours to ensure even drying on both sides. Your fruit chips are perfectly done when they feel completely dry, are brittle, and snap easily when bent. Once your delicious fruit chips are ready, let them cool completely to room temperature. This prevents condensation and keeps them crisp. Store them in an airtight container, perhaps with a small desiccant packet to absorb any lingering moisture. Properly stored, your homemade fruit chips can last for several weeks, providing a healthy and satisfying snack whenever you crave one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.